Morning, guys. Well, the morning, it's about 11:30 on Saturday. It's absolutely roasting here. How the hell am I going to survive in the Philippines when I go, guys? So, long video yesterday. I know it was a bit boring. We got Ascension's Facebook live stream stuck in the middle of it. I know it was a bit boring, but thanks for sticking it out. What are we doing today? Well, go on then, have a guess. This morning, Moby Aircon, Dave, who I use quite a lot, came and did the aircon on my Ranger because I was sweating like a pedo at the school gates, I really was. And 60 quid and a cup of coffee it cost me, and he's fully charged the aircon on the big old orange beast again, so we'll be using that tomorrow when we go back to Sunderland. She's sat out there at the moment and she's all gassed up and ready to roll. We're having barbecues again. What did you expect? So what am I doing today? I've done burgers, but I'm using Encona hot pepper sauce. If you know, you know, guys. And then I've got some marinated red Thai chili chicken, and I've got marinated green Thai chili chicken with a little bit of lemon and herb in there just to finish it off. So that's the barbecue for today. Let's go and see what that wife of mine's doing. I can say wife now because we're married. I mean, Jesus, look at this. Wow. I'm soaking.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
I can hear music, guys, coming from the garden. Filipino OPM music. She's definitely been out here. The clues are stacking up, guys, but she's not here. We've got her hat. Doesn't go very far without that hat. And we got Filipino music, and the jacuzzi is primed and ready to go. Well, barbecue's all prepped. And there's signs of activity in the garden this morning. She's been in that greenhouse. Oh, and we've got towels out. So I'm guessing she's going to get in that jacuzzi. Bloody warm, guys. I think I need a nice cold beer. Hopefully my wife has stocked up. Not the big fridge, not that one, but this one. Because this is where... Oh, well, will you look at that? I think we've got... We've got a lot of cold ones in there, guys. I think we're good. Right, get back to my favourite hobby. Stella. That's better, guys. Cold beer. You know it's hot. I think it must be at least 30 degrees today. It's got to be 29, 30. Got to be. The sun is moving in and out of cloud. So, it's a bit broken. But when my missus turns round and says it's hot, it must be hot. Because she's Filipino and she's from a place called Malig, Isabela in the Philippines, where this time of year it's normally about 40 degrees. There's only one thing for it, isn't there? Jacuzzi, more beer. There she comes.
Look, it should be black.
That should be black. That's because of the chlorine that you put in the jacuzzi, isn't it, babe? Ascension thought it'd be a good idea to add more and more chlorine, about 3 times to the water a couple of weeks ago, and she's wondering why a black "My Home is in the Philippines" t-shirt's now gone sort of like a chocolate brown. That's probably why. Looks like she's ready, she's geared up. Love this shirt. Show them the shirt, babe.
Yes.
My home is in the Philippines, but my heart. So, my home is in the UK, but my heart is from the Philippines.
I make some the ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, another strange habit she's got. She eats ice cream in hot dog rolls, sub rolls. She has ice cream sandwiches, guys, and apparently it's a big thing in the Philippines. I don't know. Well, apparently it is. Right, let's get this thing geared up. Let's take the kiddie lock off and fire her up. Guess where I'm going? Guys, it's hot in here. Look, it's set at 39. I've got it set at 39. So it is quite warm, but it'll cool down to about 36. Oh. And the beauty is, when I get out, it'll be cooler. What's she got here? She's back again. Ah, here we go, look.
Ice cream sandwich.
Ice cream sandwich, guys. You've seen it first here on the UK-PINAY channel.
Hi guys! Mag-ice cream po tayo. Ice cream sandwich. Look. Sorbetes. In Philippines, sorbetes, guys. Steve saying, it's funny. Ice cream in the bun, in the rolls.
Wow, that's better. Cooled down a bit there. Find my place in the sun. Tension's smart, she's in the shade. Did she show you the ice cream sandwich?
Yeah.
Also a bit of a garden update, guys. The curry powder did not work. Came down into the garden this morning and apparently Kitty had left a kitty cat sized shit right in the middle of the beans again. So she's thrown it back over next door's garden where the cat lives. Which is going to be really weird because they've got astroturf, not proper grass. That's mad. But anyway, well-trained cat, send it off to shit on somebody else's garden. So the curry powder's not worked, the black pepper's not worked. What's next? Do I go for landmines? Do I go for a 12-gauge shotgun? What do I do, guys? I mean, come on, somebody out there in YouTube land must know how to stop crapping cats on your garden. Starting to do me head in a bit now. The beans are going to taste like pepper and curry already. But I don't want them tasting like cat shit.
You need to practice this because it's...
You know what, guys? I'm sure in every country there must be... Do you know the shittest song you've ever heard in your life? What have we got in the UK? We've got the Birdie song. The Birdie song. There's got to be a couple more I can't think of. But you can always tell when Ascension's been near the playlist for the older sound box here. Because we get this shite. It's called apparently Diane Diane in the Philippines. But it sounds something about, they're singing about a puppy or something. I mean, come on, listen to this for a minute, guys. Tell me your thoughts. That song is going to get on your tits for the rest of the day. Because it's certainly on mine. I'm sure she's going little puppy, little puppy, little puppy. How the hell is it called Diane Diane? I mean, come on.
Dayang Dayang.
Huh?
Dayang Dayang.
Diang Diang.
Yeah.
Okay. Diang Diang.
Still hot, babe, this one.
Yeah, it will be. But you'll feel cool when you get out, babe. hit the button. Take the kiddie lock off though first. That's it is. Anyway, how is Nane doing today? Nane Marzan. Hi Mum. And sister. Hello sisters. Sisters. And brothers. If you're watching. Yeah. Junior. Caesar. Gilbert. Hi guys. So, how does it feel to have a foreigner in the family, guys? And a big brother, actually. A foreigner big brother. Wow. Don't worry, I'll look after you. I didn't just marry Ascension, I married the family as well. And I will look after all of you in my own way. It doesn't mean to say I'm going to give you loads of money. It just means I'm going to look after you, okay? Make sure that Mum is looked after. That's the most important part. Because nobody else is around to look after her. That's our job, guys. We look after Mum. Okay. What's Ascension doing? She's watering plants.
They need water too.
They need water too. Okay.
Because, you know, it's hot.
It is hot. She's got a hat. And I know that Mum wants that hat as well. I'm sure she said that she wants that hat.
Yeah, that one in there. I nearly brought a hammock in the little by $7.99.
A hammock?
Yeah, cloth one.
Oh, okay. Why do we need a hammock, babe?
No, it's for Mum.
Oh, for Mum. I think Mum's got a hammock. A better hammock. Okay, all the way from UK. Do you hear that, Mum? She nearly bought you a new hammock today. From the posh supermarket in England. Lidl. £7.99. That's not expensive, babe. £7.99. Well, £10 is 740 pesos. So she's looking at about 600 pesos, Mum. She's so cheap at times, buying cheap stuff. And cheap stuff never lasts. That's why I'd rather pay for more expensive things. Another good thing, we've had a good bit of luck. Because we've got these lamps up here, all around the garden. Well, Versatech 1, or Mike as we know him have, made a very good point. They might be mistaken for landing lights at an airport. So we're pretty lucky really, because I've had about 5 planes fly over on the way into East Midlands International. And I've never had a 747 try to land in the back garden yet, Mike. We're doing well, mate. I could be responsible for the second Lockerbie, couldn't I? Unknowingly responsible for an air disaster within the UK. 747 in the back garden, guys. Now that's something to blog about. Just spraying water. There's a lot of plants to water in this garden. It's looking nice. I've just had a good idea. Look at this. Solar top lamp. A solar top lamp. Give me a great idea for one of our number one haters at the moment. Mrs. Do apologise. I'm surprised. I thought it was Miss Wendy Taylor. Number one hater at the moment. She's the one in the last video that hated on a review we did of a hotel we stayed at, and then when I did some digging on her channel, she got glitter ball vibrators, guys. That's just weird, isn't it? But I thought to myself, maybe I could knock something up with these solar panel lamps and make a charging device for her, because it must take a little bit of power. Or even better, I could hook her up with Mike, Versatech 1, on the channel, because he's a bloody brilliant engineer, and I'm sure he could think of some sort of generation to get that vibrator up at full speed. So, if you're watching, Mrs. Wendy, give us a comment, Duck, and I'll tie you up with Mike, and let's see what he can do for you. Right, let's get back to the serious stuff now. Ascension does she's back in that old jacuzzi again.
Yeah, it's too hot.
It's nice, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
There we go. Whew. Let's fire this barbecue up. I've got a secret weapon in here, guys. Big boys' toys. There we go. That should get it going. Ascension's on the decks again. She's got a smile on her face, she's doing something.
Ilocano song.
Oh, Ilocano. The neighbours are going to love us. Everybody loves us. Except for Miss Wendy with a glitter ball vibrator that apparently she made for a friend. Do you know what, Wendy? I nearly believed you till you mentioned the words that you had friends. It's not waving, love. Well, I mean, it might be waving, but the story's not waving. I think Ascension is trying a new way to keep the cat out the garden. She's playing Ilocano music. Maybe that'll scare the cat away. It's certainly scaring me away a little bit. And the sun, look, the sun's gone as well. It's getting a bit grey over there now. Maybe that's the trick, guys, to keep cats from shitting on your beans. Play Ilocano music in the garden. Works on the weather, the cat, and the neighbours.
Hello guys. Nothing much in the garden, in the greenhouse. They're all dying. Tingnan nyo ang pichay ko. Namulaklak na. May kamatis dito, tomato, pipino, cucumber. Ayan. Ito, may ako. Lilies. Tignan nyo yung kalamansi. Oh, kalamansi. Oh, may utong ako. Ilong beans. Yung tudote ko na atidog. Nga ko long beans. May long beans ako. Bagyo beans, data na eh. Bagyo beans. Patatas. Oh, I dig that one yesterday all day. And look, dami kong garlic. There's garlic, onions, and my strawberry, and carrots there, and the bossman there. Oh, gone cloudy now. Oh, I cleaned the fountain because it look shit. Oh, sorry.
It's got nothing to do with being with me. She uses the word shit quite frequently now. Mum, tell her off.
No,
It's not good, not good.
because of this man, I learned for it.
You're blaming me! Blaming me!
And I got the clematis now. I try to buy more here to put a couple plants to cover the fence. What do you think?
No.
And this lavender. I think a piece of the nib.
Butterflies. Behind you. Some strawberries. Cabbage white butterfly.
Oh, look at the butterfly. Look, may bisita tayo. Yan o. Yan. Oh, butterfly. Oh, napunta na sa kabila.
That
Yeah.
doesn't like the Ilocano music either. Keeps cats away, neighbours away, the sun away, and now butterflies.
Oh God. Is the bossman relaxing at the moment?
I am chilling out.
Chilling out. And tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah, but we're travelling back tomorrow.
Yeah. So, and we do the shopping in the post supermarket.
On the company credit card.
Plenty of meat again for the weekend.
Absolutely right. And some beer.
Some beer. What is the company saying? Do you want to look your receipt?
Yeah, see what I bought.
It's a supermarket, so it's a grocery anyway.
Doesn't matter. I can go out every night and spend £30 a night on a meal and have a couple of pints on it over 5 nights. Or I can spend £120 in a posh supermarket, buy a case of beer for £14. Well, come on, like 2 pints every night in a posh restaurant would be like £10 a night. There's £100 straight away. So I'm saving them money.
Yeah.
Anyway, Sodom, if they don't like it, tough.
So, because it's important days. Stella.
Very important, I'd die without it.
Okay guys, see you in a minute. Guys, may bisita tayo. Ayan o. Butterflies. Paro-paro. Ayan na. Oh, lumipad na. So, may maganda tayong flower dyan. Nawala na. It's gone. Butterfly is gone. What you call that?
Huh?
Cabbage butterfly.
Cabbage white.
White. Oh, it's raining.
Really? Ilocano music, guys. Told you. As I was saying, guys, before I was rudely cut off by the camera woman. Cabbage white butterfly. And it's raining. See, even the weather doesn't like Ilocano music, look. Rain.
That's Tagalog music now.
Tagalog music. Wow. I like it, I just don't understand it. In December, I think I'll be dancing to it.
Yeah.
And I know just the perfect person to teach me how to dance. Nanny. I'm going to ask Mum for dancing lessons for the cha-cha-cha. Because Mum is a brilliant dancer.
See.
I've seen Mum dancing on Facebook. She loves it. And she's a great dancer, is my mum. She's lovely. Right, well, grey skies, rain, and I'm getting wet.
It's alright, babe.
The funny thing is, the barbecue is on the way. Oh, but look at the rain.
Cool down, isn't it? It's better.
That's cooled down, babe. What are you putting on there?
Seaweed.
Yeah? Okay.
You can hear it in a minute.
This is Dawn TV Mix Live. ARS Fanatics.
Oh, she loves it.
Lucky enough, it's got waterproof
It is waterproof. We bought this. It's loud.
sound cool.
The battery lasts ages. It's Bluetooth and it's loud.
Left.
There's only my crazy wife can flipping dance in the rain to
Because it's too hot, babe.
Tagalog music in England when it's pissing it down with rain, guys.
Yeah, but it's better, babe, to cool down, isn't it? It's too hot, too much.
How could a Filipino complain about how hot it is?
Yeah, but too much, babe.
Yeah, because you've lived in the country for 27 years, I get it.
I get brown too, look.
I wish I could get bloody brown. Look, I'm red. I'm like a flipping lobster. Come on, hit that button. Let's get in that jacuzzi. I don't care if it's raining out here. We're wet anyway.
Yeah, but it's cold, it's too hot, isn't it?
Word of advice, guys, if you get a bit of sunburn, don't get in a 40-degree jacuzzi. Oh. It's slightly uncomfortable. Oh. That's better. Well,
English summer weather.
yeah. Yay. English summer. It's wet, babe.
Yeah?
It's wet.
But it's waterproof anyway.
Oh, this is,
Yeah, it's not like my pocket trees.
yeah. We're using the DJI Action 5 Pro. This is my camera. This is the one I like to use all the time.
It's waterproof.
Yeah. Ascension likes the DJI Pocket 3. That's the one she normally uses. And I use the Action 5 Pro.
But my one is not waterproof.
It isn't. Use it in the rain, it breaks. This one will go 60 metres underwater if I put it in the case. But we'll prove that point in the Philippines, guys, when we go in the sea in December.
Yeah, dive in.
You guys are in for a real surprise. We're taking the drone, we're taking the cameras, we're doing air shots, we're doing underwater shots.
And Manisa point of view too.
Ah, and the daughter, actually my stepdaughter, who we love very much, Manisha, she's coming with us, I keep forgetting. And she's doing a point of view YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to give you a link when she finally starts uploading. She sent us a video she'd done with her friend Nikki. Absolute nutcase. Nikki, if you're watching, you're a bloody fruitcake.
I nearly upload in our channel though. I edited it.
Well, I like fruitcakes, you'll fit in just fine.
I need to
Great video, guys. Really enjoyed it.
keep going.
Yeah, you guys are funny together. Seriously funny. We really enjoyed it.
I will upload it. I edit
You
it.
can't. You'll get a friend's in trouble.
Oh yeah, because it's
Ah, yeah. So anyway, Nikki, if you're watching, though, you're more than welcome to come and stay with us for a weekend with Manisha.
yeah.
And we're looking forward to meeting you. And we can do some
At the
shit
moment,
vlogs.
we don't have a karaoke machine.
We're not going to have one either.
Yeah, soon.
We'll end up pissing the neighbours off even more. I don't quite think they get the concept of a Filipino karaoke party in Ripley in Derbyshire.
Yeah, we need one.
Really? Suppose we'll have to buy one then.
Yeah. Even I connected inside eating.
God help us. Right, so an update.
This is a lovely summer.
The sky is grey. The barbecue's on the go. We're in the jacuzzi. It's pissing it down with rain.
Yeah, but it's nice because it's too hot, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's cooled us down a bit. I'll go and check on what that barbecue's doing and get myself another beer. Neighbours must think we're flipping insane. Seriously. I suppose I am maybe. That's why I get along well with Nikki, because she's got the same sense of humour as Manisha and myself. Look at this. Raining. It's wet. Ugh. And the jacuzzi nearly ready. Wet. Soaking.
But it's too hot anyway, babe. It's good.
Got water in my beer.
I will give you one, babe.
Nah, oh, okay. Look at that. What a good woman.
It's good. It's raining a bit, but it's too hot, babe.
She's gonna get me more beer. So yeah, at some point, Nikki and Manisha with Mum and Steve in Ripley, tearing it up, pissing off the neighbours and uploading more shit to YouTube. Can't think of a better time, to be honest. Neighbours must think we're nuts. They must be looking out the window thinking, what's that bell end up to at the moment? It's pissing it down with rain and he's stood half naked in his bloody garden hopping in and out of a jacuzzi with a barbecue on the go.
32 degrees, Alexa said.
32 degrees. Oh look, double barrel. She brought me 2. My Stella's had babies. Right guys, this is one thing I can't do anymore being a married man. Get my hands on a scrubber. Can't beat a good scrubber. Oh yeah. If Ascension caught me, she'd kill me. Playing about with a scrubber. What's she call it? Puck puck. Puck puck in the Philippines. Loose woman. Puck puck. Apparently when I go to the Philippines I've got to ask Mum where I can find some puck puck. And then she's going to beat me senseless with something. No puck puck for Steve. That's not going to happen. So it looks like this is the only sort of scrubber I'm going to get my hands on, guys. Give him money? Oh, I don't pay for it, babe. Never paid for it in my life. Well, saying that, some of the relationships I've had in my life, it might as well have been. It cost me a bloody fortune. That's before I met my lovely wife, by the way. Now I'm married, I'm settled and I'm happy. Except for when she moans at me. She does complain a lot, Mum. She does complain a lot. She gets tampo, Mum. Yeah, not good. Right, put that scrubber there till I need it again. For some crazy reason, Ascension's still watering plants in the rain. I'm sure she has her reasons. It's raining and she's watering plants. I feel a bit pink. I feel a bit pink. An automatic cat? That's a good idea. Motion detected sprayer.
Yeah.
And then when the cat comes to shite, it'll spray it. That's a very good idea. Mike, got any ideas, mate? How do we set it up? PIR sensor, solenoid valve? Come on, man, you're the engineer. Oh man, it's pissing it down with rain. I mean, look at this. This is not good, is it? Yeah, PIR, maybe. We need something to stop cats crapping on my beans.
It's typical English weather, but it's good because it's too hot, 32 degrees.
It's definitely wet. Oh.
I don't know why I put them here because it's waterproof anyway.
Ascension's put the umbrella up. Like she said, she don't know why she put the radio on the table because it's waterproof anyway. Shit.
This is typical English weather, guys.
Well, don't have to worry about getting wet if you're in the jacuzzi. The neighbours are going to think we've lost the plot completely. It's absolutely pissing it down.
It's too early to have a barbecue anyway.
Well, barbecue's not ready yet. Let's get the important things out of the way. Stella. Oh, and Nikki, I've got one thing to say to you, Duck. Moo! Hey, from Mr. Cow, Dell. Moo. That just cracks me up for some reason. Can't think why, but it just cracks me up. Halfway round Canterbury, late evening, and she comes out with moo. I'm sure there's some weird sensible logic toward it, but couldn't quite get it. But yeah, it's catchy. Moo. I think we could use that as a trademark. Moo. Apparently the sun's starting to come out again. Oh, anyway, 1 week in, reflection on married life. Doesn't feel much different, guys, to be honest. Except for I've got a ring on my finger now. I'm sort of lucky because I've married the woman that's just as crazy as I am. Even though she's very reserved. I mean, come on. Which other couple would have barbecues in the rain in the UK?
Look, sun is shining again.
And she'd be dancing around in the rain. Playing Ilocano music in the middle of Derbyshire. She's loving it. That's my crazy wife, guys. And I've got a crazy stepdaughter as well, Manisha. Hello, Manisha.
Hi, Nikki.
I said hello to Manisha.
Hi, Manisha and Nikki.
Okay, hello, Nikki and Manisha. You're probably out there causing chaos somewhere. I don't even want to know what you're up to. Well, I'm about 6 beers deep. It looks like the sun's coming out again. There's a break in the clouds. Oh, what the... What the hell is this? Oh, that bloody song again. I'm mortified, guys. It's worse than the birdie song. Update, guys. Well, Grace, guys. Mrs. is dancing though, she's loving it.
Balse.
Balsi. Apparently, Nane, I've got to tell you, Balsi, Balsi, huh? Does that mean dance?
Ilocano, balse.
Ascension's loving it.
Ilocano, be.
There we go. Ascension's cutting some rug. I think she's doing a rain dance because that's all we've had. Rain. But it's drying out nicely.
Well, at least the heat is from balse.
Where else in the world could you get a rainy barbecue day? Cooking the food in the rain. I think that's nearly ready.
The sun is trying to...
They're trying to come out, yeah, but it's not doing a very good job of trying to come out at all. I think Boy George did a better job of coming out than the sun today. Or George Michael. Or was it Elton John? Might have been Elton John. Yeah, it was Elton John. I remember his song, Don't Let Your Sun Go Down on Me. Or was that Don't Let This... I can't remember. Ascension's gonna get the food, guys. We can't wait any longer for sun. Hang on. Oh. Well, the twins didn't last very long. I've got my special thing on the barbecue now. Have a look. That's for the skewers. Oh, look, there's the grub. It's time for the chef to get going, I suppose. I've got some cooking utensils from my glamorous assistant. The chef is in the house. Let's try some of these green Thai chili skewers. Let's have some of that. Oh. Look at this, guys. Looking nice. Just 4. Let's get them underway. Then I'll hit it with the burgers and the chicken. That's the burgers on, guys, with some Encona hot chili sauce. I think Ascension's going to find it a bit spicy. And then we got the old marinated chicken. And we've got the Thai green chicken skewers. It's like a cooking show, isn't it, guys? But obviously, as soon as I put these things on, yeah, you guessed it, it starts to rain again. Looks like it's a rainy day barbecue today, guys. But I really don't give a shit anymore. Definitely spitting with rain again. And it's looking a little bit dark. But I'm in the land of don't give a shit at the moment. I think I'm about 8 Stellas in at the moment on the Stella count. Not that I'm alcoholic or anything, it's just that counting my beers. Look on the bright side. We've got Ilocano music. I've got a lovely wife.
I'm still hot though, isn't it?
You are very hot, babe, yeah. And we've got food cooking on the old barbie. Let it rain, guys. Let it rain. I've gone past the point of giving a shit at the moment. Oh, let's get in that barbie. Jacuzzi with the missus. Oh, I think I've got a thorn in my... Ow! I've got a thorn in my big toe or something. Nah, it's a bit of a staple. Definitely a staple. Some description. Oh. Couldn't ask for a better day, really. Wish I was in the Philippines right now with the family. Hi, sunburned and she's scratching me back. How do you do that from over there? Oh, it's nice though. I do like it, but that's painful because I've got a bit of sunburn on it. Half man, half lobster. And it's raining again, 100%. But these are memories, guys. Married life, 1 week in. Memories. She's going to be saying to me in the not too distant future, when I'm old and decrepit and I'm pissing myself and using a walk frame, "Oh, do you remember the day we had the barbecue in the rain, Steve?" And I'll say, "Yes, babe, I remember it very well. It's probably about 3 years ago." On the bright side,
It's still 32 degrees.
it's still 32 degrees.
Still hot, isn't it?
It is. Humid, that's the word, babe. It's humid.
It's better when it's raining a bit, you know.
Yeah. Let it rain. Let it rain. These are memories, babe. One for the future. She's acclimatised very well to this crazy English culture. 3 days of summer a year. It's definitely persistent. But what the hell? Oh, this jacuzzi's nice. Well, another nice warm jacuzzi. Oh, lovely. Oh, you're not going to believe this, guys. Seriously. It's raining. What's she doing?
Watering the plant. Watering the plant.
I can see that, sweetheart.
What's wrong?
Nothing, babe. You just carry on. Let me go and check on my chicken.
It's raining, I'm watering the plant.
Ooh. There we go. We're Barbie in my Barbie world. Shit, that's hot. Use a little cloth, I think, for that one. We're on it, guys. We are most definitely on it.
Getting shit, not the music.
Well, you put it on. She complains that the music's getting shit. Can't say I'm surprised. Oh. These are going to be slightly warm. Jamaican hot sauce. But you know what? They'll be bloody tasty. It's one of them sauces at Encona that it's hot. But when you get used to it, it's really nice. Really nice. I forget which place it was. There was some Jamaican restaurant when I first had it. Turtle Bay or something like that, I think it was called. It's like a chain you get in the UK. And I first tried it there, Encona. And I've ended up with like a half a litre flipping bottle of it now because I love it so much. It's one of them hot sauces that it's bloody hot, but you just have to keep eating it. This chicken's looking good.
Barbecue in the rain.
Barbecue in the rain. That's what we're doing today, sweetheart. Are we having fun though? That's the question.
Yay! Because it's too hot, isn't it?
That's definitely a yes. It is really hot, even though it's been raining. Oh well, let's keep cooking the grub, drinking the beer, smoking the cigarettes. Moo! Guys, I've got the hang of this Ilocano music now.
The balsi, babe.
Balsi. Okay, I've got the hang of this balsi now. The more you drink, the better it sounds.
Good.
And I think I'm about 10 stellas in now on the body count. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Yeah, anyway. So, balsi after alcohol sounds better. I better get into training for Christmas time when we go to the Philippines. Because the one thing I've not tried yet, guys, is red horse. Or lumpanog. And I need to be ready to have a drinking session with Big Brother. Sorry, Little Brother. Little Brother. Ronnie. Little Brother. Little Brother. Okay. You got Big Brother now, Ronnie. We're going to have a drinking session. Lumpanog, Red Horse.
San Miguel.
And San Miguel. I don't like San Miguel. It's like rat's piss. But I'll lower my standards. And let's see which one drops under the table first.
Mom, is this song?
Mum likes to dance to this song.
And Ruby.
And Ruby. Sister Ruby. And Nene. Sisuit. Sisuit. We've got the video evidence, guys. Ruby and Nene dancing to this. I'm getting quite into this Ilocano music now, guys. Getting quite into this barbecue as well. Oh yeah. Getting there, guys. Yeah. If you wasn't hungry, you will be now. Watching these bad boys kick on the barbecue. Bit strange having a Filipino English channel and all we ever seem to post is barbecues and jacuzzis. We should be sponsored my gas to coal. We bought this barbecue 2 years ago, guys. £500 it cost. 500 quid. It's gas to coal, 3 burner. Got it from B&Q in the UK. Worth its weight in gold. So, gas to coal. If you're out there, you can always sponsor us, you know. So we do a video every weekend. Charbroil, gas to coal. Give us some sponsorship, give us some money. Come on, loads of money. You know, that's what you get for messing about with my cooking, babe. She has to fiddle with everything, guys. Could have told her these things were hot. That's what this is here for.
Yeah.
My missus burns herself and cuts herself that many times.
No
She
knife.
never learns. She never learns. We can't give her sharp knives anymore. Because I can guarantee she'll cut herself. I use all the ninja sharp knives. I've got a ninja block of knives. And she has the cheap shit ones, which are really blunt. Just can't trust her with a knife. Which is probably good for me. At least she ain't becoming a serial killer. Unless she's putting a murderous end to a packet of Kellogg's cornflakes or some Rice Krispies. There comes my beautiful wife again. She brought me more beer. The beer is breeding, guys. Number 9, number 10. If I can get another 8, I've done a full pack. Talking of packs, check out this 6-pack, guys. Oh. That's what you call a bought and paid for beer belly here in the UK. Whew. I could try a bit of exercise, to be honest. A little bit of running.
Buy a running machine, babe.
Buy a running machine. No, sweetheart, the only thing that runs in my family is obesity. Number 11, guys. Could this be a personal best for Steve Cowdell in his garden this Saturday? Could well be. I'm working on it, guys. I'm doing my very best. Very best. Anyway, getting on to the subject of being slightly tubby around the midriff. I could make steps to diet, maybe to calm down on the food and lose a bit of weight. I could probably do away with going to McDonald's and probably stop eating my Happy Meals. I don't know what a Happy Meal is to you, but to me,
Kids meal.
it's normally about 3 cheeseburgers, a Big Mac, 2 packs of fries, box of chicken nuggets, and some barbecue sauce. I call it a Happy Meal because it makes me bloody happy. But instead of getting rid of the old Happy Meal, Ascension has swayed my judgment yet again because now I've discovered Jollibee. Wow. Jollibee. Spicy chicken burgers. Hot dogs. Love the hot dogs. I just don't eat the rice from Jollibee.
And peach pie. Mango
Oh,
pie.
and the peach and mango pies. Guys, if you've never been to Jollibee, find one, get the peach and mango deep fried pie. They're to die for. I probably will die from it actually in about 5 years of eating them because of the cholesterol levels. But seriously, guys, really, really nice. Oh, and they did what was that other one they did, babe? The other pie. Coconut with
With mango.
mango. They did a coconut and mango pie as well. They're really nice as well, guys. Anyway, let's see how my fat bastard barbecue is getting on. Stop raining again, by the way. Whoa. She's cooking up. She's cooking up. We've got some really good chili burgers there, guys. They're sweating. Sweating. Absolutely sweating like a Pakistani on a rape charge. Ascension thought it'd be a really good idea
Close the umbrella.
to close the umbrella. What do you think?
Typical English weather.
Typical English weather. You're quite right, babe. The question was she being optimistic? Because I swear I can feel little drops of rain on my shoulders at the moment. We'll see. Anyway, new video, guys. Barbecue in the rain. UK style, eh? Yes, sir. 5 minutes later, she's put the umbrella back up again.
Look, you see a drop of rain.
Yes, really, there's a surprise, babe. A drop of rain.
Yeah, but it's okay.
It
It's
is.
not cold.
It's not cold, babe, no.
It's too hot, isn't it?
We're cooling down with the jacuzzi.
You can still feel the heat.
What was the temperature today, babe?
32.
32 in the UK, guys. You've heard it first. Oh, spots of rain. It's definitely starting to rain.
Hold on, babe. It's too hot, isn't it? Especially in the night. Oh. Another fan, but still it's hot.
Your greatest fan is me, babe. Ah. Oh, she's cooking. If you weren't hungry, guys, you will be now. Look at the fat coming out of them burgers. Ooh. Most of that is chili oil, believe it or not.
Looks like getting brown.
Huh?
Getting brown.
You getting brown? Let's have a look. Show me. Oh, yeah, getting brown.
Look, see?
I'm just jealous because I look like a pissing lobster.
Getting brown back, right?
The sun's coming out. Yay! Get a little flash of sun then.
Some screaming woman in the radio.
Well, you put it on,
It's not Ilocano song anymore.
is it not? You're the DJ. Just sack the DJ.
Exactly, DJ. How's the barbecue going?
You just have to fiddle with my food, don't you?
Oh, yum yum.
Ascension hates it when I'm cooking. The kitchen is definitely Ascension's place. I don't mean that in a sexist way, I just mean that she loves to cook. And she's a brilliant cook, guys. She cooks and she bakes. And then you wonder why I'm getting that. She's overfeeding me.
Tiramisu.
She was doing tiramisus and things like that and cheesecakes not long back, but she stopped doing them now because she realised that she was putting weight on and I'm certainly putting weight on. Shouldn't be long now and this grub should be ready.
Are you hungry?
I'm a little bit hungry, yeah. Just a little bit.
What time, babe?
I have no idea. The Stella's kicking in, babe. It feels like 5 o'clock. Manisha, serious question, sweetheart. Has your mum got OCD? It's just, the only reason I'm asking is, well, look. Bearing in mind that we're having rain every now and again.
Dirty.
It's dirty. Not as dirty as me, I might add, but it's dirty. Guys, the sun's coming out again. We've got shadows on the barbecue. We've braved the storm, guys. We've braved it. We're actually getting sun now. I've stolen Ascension's hat. This is one I bought a long time ago when I bought her military boots, which she never wears. But I got a Filipino military hat for her as well. So it looks like I'm stealing this one, guys. Ooh. Not that I'd pass for a Pinoy soldier, because I'm not dark enough yet. Well, I've worn UK soldiers' hats and American soldiers' hats and Polish soldiers' hats during my career. So I might as well just have a Filipino one now. Even though I'm an old bastard, way past it. My career's finished. I was very good in my time, believe it or not.
You got the boots in there, special boots for that.
Yeah, I was 7 or 8 years, Special Forces. 2nd Battalion, Parachute Regiment, British Special Forces guys. That's why that little brother of mine is going to get some shit when I finally come home. When we stop him drinking so much and teach him a little bit of respect for his mum. Love you, little brother, but you're going to sort your shit out, mate. We're doing it military style. Get ready. Guys, I was just discussing Ilocano language with Ascension and she's totally blown my mind. So, I asked how many dialects there were in the Philippines because I thought there's Ilocano, Cebuano and Visayan. Hang on, over to the missus. Explain about languages, babe.
No, in Philippines we have so many, it's not languages, we call dialect. We call dialect. You know? We have Ilocano, main dialect is Tagalog. Tagalog. Then Bisaya. Bisaya, Cebuana.
How many languages you got?
I think more than 1,100 or something.
God. I'm having a problem with one.
And we got Ibanag, Pangalatot. The main Ilocano is in Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte. That's Ilocano. Then you go down to Sabela, it's Ilocano as well. And you go to Pangasinan, Pangalatot. Then in other places, Ibanag. You know. But as long you can speak Tagalog, you're right.
How many languages have you encountered in the UK, babe?
Just one, English.
No. Scouse?
Scouse, Scottish, Wales,
and English.
English.
Brummy?
Bromley is in
Birmingham.
Birmingham. And Liverpool, they have
Scousers.
Scousers.
Alright.
Alright,
And then we've done Newcastle.
yeah, Newcastle is different.
Geordies.
Geordies. Liverpool is different.
Scousers.
Scousers.
You got North and South Wales. They speak a bit different.
Well, they had its own dialect, isn't it? Language.
Yeah, Welsh.
Yeah. And Scottish, they have.
Sort of like a Gaelic Scottish.
And Irish is more worse.
Oh, Irish. But Irish is also related a little bit to Scottish because that's Gaelic. Southern Ireland.
In Sunderland, I never heard any single yes for them. Why I pet? Why I? Why I pet? I said, oh, why I pet? Okay. I never heard, since we've been there in Sunderland, I never heard the yes or, you know.
Or no.
No, I said, why I? Why I?
Canny. You heard Canny?
What's that area then?
Canny. Small. Or whatever. Canny bag of tuna, man. Small bag of crisps.
Why I pet?
So you do travel a bit.
And we got Ireland, I never been.
We'll go there. I've got friends in Ireland. Southern Ireland.
And Southern Ireland.
Yeah.
Northern and Southern, eh?
Well, Northern Irish associate with being British.
But the South is need the passport.
Yes, because that's still part of Europe.
Okay.
But I've got some really good friends in Southern Ireland. And the weird thing is, they're ex-IRA. Paras and IRA, we don't get on. But I've got a friend called George. George, if you're watching, mate, brother. You go down to Southern Ireland, they're lovely people, the best people. I've got a local pub down there called the Silver Dollar, which I go into. That's in Limerick. Oh my God.
As long you learn Tagalog, you'll be okay in the Philippines.
I need to learn Tagalog.
But in Ilocos, is main is Ilocano.
So I need to learn Ilocano because we're going to live in Ilocano.
And you go down to Mom Isabella, is still Ilocano.
Okay. Well, luckily most of the family speak English, but I will try and learn.
Tagalog is easy, babe.
We'll see.
Because it's good, you know.
It might be, but I'm old, and as you get older, it's harder to learn a language.
No, look at the blogger, Kurt.
Kurt, the blogger, yeah.
Uncle Kurt.
He speaks very good Tagalog.
Because he's in missionary before, and that's why. He come to gone to the Philippines for missionary for how many years?
Quite a few.
Yeah.
He was a Mormon missionary, that's right. Yeah. Kurt.
Uncle Kurt.
Uncle Kurt on YouTube, guys.
Oh my God, it's good.
He's an American ex-soldier who speaks Tagalog, and he's really good. He does a lot of food blogs, and I'm very jealous because he just speaks really, really fast and confidently.
He said he can learn Tagalog to the people when he's got to the restaurant, you know, because it's true anyway, because he will teach you.
Uh-oh. Oppo. I need to learn off my nieces and nephews, you know, my little peekaboo princess and the girls and the boys in the family, because this stupid foreigner uncle doesn't know any Tagalog, guys. So I'm going to learn. I'll do my very best.
You know some of it. Salamat po. Kain tayo.
I can say thank you.
Magandang.
Maganda, sarap. Sarap is food. But I forget everything else. I lived around Poland for 13 years and I speak Polish, but about 60% fluency. And every time I try and think of Tagalog, I get Polish words sticking in my mind. So I need to unlearn them and learn Filipino Tagalog. I'll get there eventually. I don't get a choice because we're going to be living there, aren't we?
As long you know the salamat po, that's more important.
Magandang umaga, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon, magandang tanghali.
Tanghali is night, yes?
No.
You told me magandang umaga was morning.
Morning, tanghali in the middle.
You said
Magandang gabi.
umaga.
Magandang gabi is evening.
See how confusing this is, guys?
Look. The teacher. Morning is magandang.
I won't remember. I'm as thick as shit, and I'm on number 11.
Tanghali meanings in the middle of the day. Hapon meanings is in the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock until good evening. And then magandang gabi is the night.
I'm lost already, guys. Right, I'm getting back to my barbecue.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, guys, so Mrs. Steve has gone to get burger buns for the burgers because the burgers are done, but so is the chicken. Manok, which apparently means chicken in Ilocano Tagalog. I'm just waiting for the burgers. I've got no idea what that means in Tagalog. But on the bright side, it's not raining yet, and we're about to fill us faces with a bit of a Saturday afternoon barbecue, guys. And I'm 11 cans of Stella in. 11. We're doing really well. I just need to do another 7, and I've done a full pack. Bargain. Okay, guys. Food's ready. Ascension's gone for the burger buns. Grub's on the table. And guess what? Oh yeah. It's starting to rain again. Starting to rain again. I've also seen a couple of wood pigeons hovering about on the wall up there. They've got their eyes on my strawberries down there. Bastards. I think I need to get a shotgun. 2 wood pigeons and a bloody cat. Oh, there's the missus. Oh, that's number 12.
Number 12 what?
Beer.
Number 12.
I'm in training, babe. 11. 12. We've had twins again. Yeah, it's definitely starting to rain now, guys. I can feel spots on my shoulders. So hopefully we'll have a bit of time now to eat before it pisses it down again. It's definitely one for the memory banks. Barbecue in the rain, guys. Elicano music playing in the background. And me drinking more than I have done in a long time in a single day. It's nice that I can still do it, to be honest. 58-year-old, guys, but I'm not done yet. You're never going to believe this, guys. I must have got the most perfect woman in the world. She's just got me another beer. Look. Number 11. Number 12. Unlucky for some, number 13.
You're counting, babe.
Shit. And then she complains that I drink too much.
You wouldn't die, babe.
I'll die without it, yeah. It's just like a fish needs water. There's another word of advice to you guys out there on YouTube. Don't drink water. It's really bad for you.
Annabelle has seen you drinking water, babe.
I'm not surprised. You don't drink water, guys, because fish piss in it. That's why I don't drink water. Fish piss in your water. It's true. Oh, what we got? Chili burgers, guys. That's 2 chili burgers. One more if I want, 2 more if I want it. That's Ascension's way of saying she's not having one.
No, I'm having one, babe.
Well, okay. With Encona hot Jamaican chili pepper sauce on them. And then we've got loads of other grub. I can never remember the first word, but something in tayo. Let's see, guys. What?
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Okay. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. Kain tayo.
No diet.
No diet. Not
Yeah.
today. We're going to start tomorrow.
Yeah, walking from Washington to Concord.
Okay. We got grub. Well, if nothing else, we eat well, guys. Oh, we got the rice as well. Don't forget the rice.
Rice is life.
Not for me. Big Macs and beer is life for me, guys. Right. Time to stuff my face. We'll catch you in a bit. Of course, BBQ eats lots of rice with everything.
Yeah. You can eat without rice.
Well, I can.
Yeah, you're British, babe. That's the difference.
What's that you got there, babe?
Limpo.
Lempo.
Yeah,
Is that pork belly?
baboy.
My boy. Okay.
Then authentic Filipino sauce.
We do like a bit of that, don't we, babe?
Yeah,
It's nice in the rice, to be honest.
yeah.
It's got green chilli in it, it's got garlic in it, onion.
Yeah. Calamansi. Calamansi.
Yeah, I like calamansi.
And soy sauce.
I'm sorry. Guess what?
Tato puti.
I can feel rain on my shoulders again, guys. Just at the point where we're starting to eat. Yeah. We got some dark clouds coming over. Well, better eat fast, I suppose. Yeah, I'm there. I've got 2 beef burgers. Moo. And number 12.
Counting.
With number 13 close behind. That's what I call a Steve's Happy Meal, guys. Whoa. 2 of these chili burgers in, guys. And Kona hot chili pepper sauce. But you know what? Not too hot. Quite tasty, because we put them in burger buns with cheap little cheese and some tomato sauce and a bit of mustard. Really nice. Weather's still shit and I've got raindrops on my shoulders. Not good.
I don't know why you're scared about the rain.
I'm not scared about it. I learnt about telling the weather years ago, babe. When I was growing up in Barnsley in Yorkshire, we had a lady that lived next door to us, and she knew exactly what day to put the washing out and what day not to put it out. She knew. There wasn't one day where she put the washing on the line and it rained in all the 20 years I lived there. I remember my mum asking her one time, she goes, Ethel, she goes, how do you know when it's going to be sunny and when it's going to rain? She goes, it's really simple. What she said is like she used to lift the quilt up on a morning and look at her husband's ding-ding. And if it was laid to the left, it was going to be sunny. And she'd put the washing out, it wasn't a problem. And then some mornings she'd open the quilt up and have a look down, and husband's ding-ding was laid to the right. If it was laid to the right, it means it's going to rain, so don't bother put the washing out, apparently. And so she never put the washing out on them days. And I remember my mum asking her, she goes, Ethel, she goes, what about if the ding-ding's standing straight up? And bless her, Ethel, she just responded, you know what, if it's standing straight up, forget about the washing. Okay guys, 3:30. Status update. We've decided to abandon the garden. Look. It's slightly wet out there at the moment, guys. It's starting to rain. Not really good, is it? So we stowed the umbrella, we shut down the barbecue, we covered the jacuzzi, and we've gone inside. Dad, you was right. It was going to rain. Should have just stayed in here with you. Would have been all right, Dad.
Where are we at on?
We've got some Filipino TV on.
We gotta get to Tagbilaran. We still have another hour and a half.
We've got the nice fan. It's keeping us nice and cool in here.
That's the first thing is to put it the one when I come here.
It was the first thing I bought when Ascension moved in. The fan.
Because it's too hot in the summer.
It is, babe. How's your dinner?
It's nice, babe. A bit burned that.
Oh, thanks. The burgers are nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice the cheese.
I mean,
The problem is, I've left these too long and they're really hard now.
Because we're chatting about the dialect of the Philippines, huh?
Yeah, never mind. You live and learn, guys. Moral of the story, don't listen to Steve when he has cooking tips for you. It is tasty though. Right guys. Ooh. I'm stuffed. Can't eat anymore. I've got half a can of number 12 left. Number 13 I'm not even going to bother opening. So my record at the moment is number 12. So I'm going to say goodbye for now and then upload this video and enjoy these memories I've had with my lovely Pinay wife. Barbecuing in the rain.
This memories, babe.
It is memories, isn't it, babe?
What you expect in the UK? It's not tropical country.
Well, it's been pretty tropical today. It's been wet.
Yeah, still hot though. Temperature 32 anyway. So shame we don't have a dog, can you?
Why? Do you want to barbecue that as well?
No, I mean to give to the dog.
Ah, yes. We'll give it to next door's cats, but it just shit all over the beans even more. You gonna say bye?
Bye, salamat po.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And thank you to our new subscribers.
Welcome our channel. Thank you very much. Salamat po.
And also thank you to the new subscribers on Facebook on the UK-PINAY page. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you, Mike, for the advice for the card, but it's not gonna work anyway.
Thanks, Mike, for the advice. It's not working on pepper. We've tried it on curry powder.
I tried them ground paper and a whole paper, you know. I brought it big tin like that. I put them everything, but still not work.
So if you have any ideas which doesn't involve shotguns, landmines, tasers, electrified fences, or cruelty to animals, just let us know, guys. What is very good to stop cats shitting on your beans? Because I've run out of ideas. I'll probably try a rocket launcher from the bedroom window. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Salamat po.
Take care.
Take care, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit